I'm Madiha Khurram from Multan Public School. I'm social studies teacher. Dear students, you have already read this topic in previous video and in previous class as well. Let's read it again for reinforcement. Topic number 2. My body. This is my body. I have a head. On my head there is hair. My face is round. I have 2 eyes and a nose. I have a mouth and 2 lips. I have white teeth and a pink tongue. I have 2 cheeks and a chin. I have 2 ears. I have a neck. Let's revise names of parts of body. Head, hair, eye, nose, ear, cheek, mouth, chin, neck, arm, elbow, hand, thigh, knee, calf, foot. Dear students, let's start its exercise. So, question number 1 is, what parts of your body do you use for running? I repeat question number 1. What parts of your body do you use for running? Do you know which part of your body do you use for running? Do you use your hands for running? No. Guess which part of your body do you use for running? Yes, you are right. We use legs for running. You will write this question along with its answer on your notebook in very neat handwriting. Now let's see what is the next question. Question number 2 is, what parts of your body do you use for eating? I repeat question number 2. What parts of your body do you use for eating? Do you know which parts of your body do you use for eating? Do you use ears for eating? No? Guess which part of your body do you use for eating? Yes. We use teeth and tongue for eating. Now let's see what is the next question. Question number 3 is, what parts of your body do you use for writing? I repeat question number 3. What parts of your body do you use for writing? Dear students, which part of body do you use when you will be writing answers? Yes, very good. You will use your hands for writing. Dear students, write today date and day on your notebook. Write topic's name and then start writing question and answers on your notebook. You must draw a picture related to the answers to make your work impressive. Dear parents, notes of this topic are provided in soft copy and their hard copy are available in school as well. Now let's start work page. Open page number 9. Dear students, you have to fill in the blanks with names of body parts drawn in front of the sentence. So let's start. First statement is, this is my dash. Students, do you know what this part of body is called? Yes, it is foot. So you will write foot in this blank space. This is my dash. Students, tell me this part of body name. Yes, this is hand. This is my hand. So you will write hand in this blank space. This is my dash. Yes, ear. This is my ear. This is my dash. Students, do you know what this part of body is called? Yes, it is nose. So you will write nose in this blank space. Now let's start part B, and it is about color. This is Sarah. She has a dash here. Dear students, do you know what is the color of her hair? Yes, it is black. Now, next statement is about a boy named Tim. This is Tim. He has dash hair. Student, what is the color of Tim's hair? Yes, it is brown. His eyes are dash. Very good. Now students, write eyes color of Tim in the blank. His eyes are brown. So, number 3 is my hair is dash, my eyes are dash. Dear students, You will write about color of your own hair and eyes. Now open page number 10. This work page is about Mr. Najib. Let's see what does it says. It says, this is Najib. Look at the picture and tick the statement as true or false. Now, dear students, read statement carefully and tick on true. If statement is true, or tick on false if the statement is wrong. Najib has 3 arms. Dear students, look at the picture and tick on correct option. Number 2 is he has 2 ears. Yes, dear students, what do you think? Is this statement true or false? Tick on correct option. Number 3 is his hair is grey. Dear students, choose the correct option and tick on it. Number 4 is Najib's eyes are green. Dear students, what do you think? Is this statement true or false? Tick on correct option. I hope you all have done this activity on book. Kindly share pictures of your notebook and work pages with your teacher. Dear students, discussion time is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is all from my side. Thank you.